In this video, we are learning how we create a new screens and shifts our screen from new screen. First of you are going to select Windows and select new main window. You can select a window and name it alarms. Because I am creating alarm screen, you can see my second screen is created. Now I use button from there to put into there and I name it alarms. Now I open it and open swap action and swap and go into alarms screen. Okay, now I open alarm screen. You can see I also put another buttons and name it to back or my main screen. Now I download it and open swap and swap into main window. Now I am going to emulate it. First you are going to main window, you want to yes, and you are going to open. Now you enter to swap, my screen is changed, enter to all and then my screen is changed. Now I am demonstrated to a large number. Here you can see enter to swap, swap, the screen is changed. That's how you create a new Screens In IGNITION SCADA. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon below and get me some likes or views on my video. Thank you.